What is up, YouTube? I finally got myself the Insta360 Go 3, and oh, god damn, they're doing a bunch of construction there, but we're just doing some testing right now. You know, this is my first time doing like POV driving and whatnot. Pretty hyped to get this out for you guys. I know there's people in the comments asking for POV driving, so I'm hoping that the audio is good, hoping that you guys can hear everything. Yeah, this is just like a test run. We'll see if I upload this video or not. If you're watching it, then I guess I did upload it. But yeah, this is my 2015 BMW M3. It is stage 2 on BM3, 91 octane, and the mods, it's a decent amount of mods, but performance wise, we have the ARM intakes, ARM downpipes, catless downpipes, but they're resonated, and then we have their silicone charge pipes as well, and also their J pipe. So if you guys didn't know, ARM Motorsports is one of my sponsors, my partners. But yeah, that's pretty much the performance parts, I guess. Other parts that I have on this car, there's a extra diff mount, diff brace, diff bushings, shifter bushings as well. So this is like super notchy. I just tried to put it in gear without putting my foot in the clutch. But yeah, like these shifts feel really good, super notchy. They feel nice. Hopefully you can hear the intake noises and the spool up noises and everything. I'm not sure how this audio is going to be. I'm hoping that it's good, because there's no other way of doing audio with this setup, unless I get like a whole separate microphone recorder thingy, blah blah blah. There's just too much to do. But yeah, we're just going out, getting some gas, getting some food. Haven't ate yet today, just got off work, picked up this camera. I know I'm just yapping and shit, but I'm just trying to get used to talking and recording. I guess we can talk about my future plans with this car. Oh yeah, I also did BC coilovers as well, spacers, front lip, well 4 front lips, diffuser, rear spats 2 times because the diffuser flew off as well. We're not gonna talk about that though. I have a 5th lip on the way. It's a polyurethane lip instead of this cheap brittle plastic, so hopefully that one lasts. I feel like it should, and it should be the last one. But the only downside to that lip is that it's not gloss black, it's like the matte finish kind of. So we'll see what I can do with that, if I can like maybe wrap it, or I know paint is gonna flake, so I think my best option would be to wrap. And here goes this person not signaling again, like a weirdo. Like, what's so hard about using your signal, bro? I'm driving a BMW using my signal. But I forgot what I was yapping about. I was yapping about my aero, I think. But future plans with this car, obviously we're gonna get the crank up done, and then I think I'm planning to do that during the winter. Somebody hit me up on Instagram saying that they'll, if I fly them out, they'll do the labor for me and whatnot, and that's a big job, so I don't want to take that risk myself, and I'd rather have somebody professional do it that knows what they're doing. So we'll probably get that done during the winter, and then springtime, summerish time or whatever, probably end up going E85. So yeah, we'll go E85. Definitely gonna have to get a new clutch too to hold all that power, because I know for sure it's probably gonna end up slipping. So that's pretty much what I have planned performance wise. I do eventually want to swap out the stock wheels too, even though I really like these wheels. I think they're 437Ms or something like that. Yeah, I really like these wheels, love how they look, love the concave on them. But I'm thinking of doing gram lights, 57 DRs. I really want those, but I want them in black chrome. I don't want black, because I don't like really like black wheels, but black chrome, that'll hit different. You don't really see that much. So I want to do black chrome in the 57 DRs, and if I can't do that, then I'll probably go with HREs. I'll put a picture of it on the screen here. I don't remember the exact model of them. I think like maybe something 04, HR04 or something like that maybe. But yeah, those are my other choices, or my other choice I mean. If I go with those, I'll probably go with 20s just to get a little bit more ground clearance. But yeah, I mean, it's either those wheels or possibly even some TEs. The 18-inch setup with the fat tire, like Finding Nick. I really like how that looks too. So that could be a possibility as well. But those are like the 3 wheel choices that I got in my head. And yeah, I think that's pretty much what I want to do with the wheel setup. Other exterior parts I'd like to do. The GTS hood, I really want that. I don't know if I will end up doing that or not, because, you know, if you don't know me, this is my 34th car. I don't really keep cars for that long, but this one might be a keeper. I have no idea. My last car I had was the longest one I've ever owned ever, which was my Audi S6. I had that for about 2 years, I think. So if this thing goes on and on, then I might do the hood and whatnot, because I really like the way that the hood looks. Yeah, we're almost here at Costco. Put some gas in her. It's running low. But yeah, like I said, we're only on the 91 tune right now, so apparently that's somewhere around 500 wheel or something like that. And I just realized I haven't even done like a full pull. Probably do a full pull after getting gas and food and whatnot. But if you're still watching and you've made it this far, comment. I love big booty bitches. Put that down in the comments so I know that you've actually watched this far. I know I'm just yapping and shit, but you know, like I said, I'm just testing this out, trying to get a feel for how this is going to be like. I have no idea how long the battery life lasts on this thing either. And we are recording in like higher resolution and everything too. This truck is on my ass, low-key. But we're at Costco. They have speed bumps, so I gotta go all the way the fuck around the lot like this and take the back all the way that way just to avoid the speed bump, because this lip would not survive on those weird speed bumps. It feels like a concrete one, just a little hump, I'd get it over no problem. But their speed bumps are weird, and they're plastic. It's like a ramp and then a big like circle notch in the middle. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a weird speed bump, and it'll for sure mess my lip up. Damn, I was rubbing. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, is he just cleaning? I think he's just cleaning. Alright, let's fill up some gas. $3.85, not bad. Alright, mile per gallon wise, with this car, I've been seeing around like 17 miles per gallon. I do have a heavy foot, and whenever I go on my lunch breaks and whatnot, I'm always just sitting in my car with it running, so wasting gas at idle and whatnot. But fuck it, dude. Let's see, we made it 225 miles on this tank, so we're gonna drop this down, bring out the calculator. 225.4 divided by, oh, not done yet, we're getting there. 51 bucks, 13.4, 16.8 gallons. That's what we're getting right now. And now we're gonna get some slim chickens. Oh yeah, for anybody else who owns an F80 out there, or if you do have one and you're planning on getting intakes, just know that you will run into a little bit of weird driving issues, like cold starts and whatnot. Not cold starts, but like when you start it up, it'll start misfiring a little bit. Let's do a pull real quick. But it'll misfire a little bit at idle at the beginning because of the intakes, and then whatchamacallit, I can't think. Drivability wise, at the lower RPMs, there's tends to be like a weird little stutter, hesitation, whatever. But it's only sometimes. It's really random. But that's only if you have intakes without like a Pro Tune or whatever. Like I'm on BM3 stage 2, but it doesn't really account for the intakes. So if I want my drivability to be better, then I have to get a Pro Tune, which I'm planning on doing next year. I'll get a Pro Tune done. The 85 and probably a 91 Pro Tune map as well, just to have it on deck. I don't know if I want to do a flame map or not. That's a nice Q50.
Thank you for choosing Slim Chicken. My name is Aubrey. I'll take your order as soon as you're ready.
Can I get a chick's meal, please? Can the tenders be shaken in mango habanero?
With what to dip it in?
Cayenne ranch, and then also a side of slim sauce too, please.
And a peach cheese?
No, slim sauce.
For slim sauce?
Yeah.
What to drink?
For the drink, I'll do a root beer.
Root beer? You got it. Anything else?
Can I also get a strawberry cheesecake jar?
Strawberry jar, you got it. Anything else?
I think that should be it.
Okay, a chick's meal shaken and mango habanero with cayenne ranch, slim sauce, root beer, and strawberry jars. Be 1736 the window.
Alrighty, thank you.
Thank you.
That's usually my go-to meal for slim chickens. Wherever y'all live, y'all don't have slim chickens. This shit is pretty good. It's like a Cane's, but like on crack with like way more options and shit. Awesome, thank you. We got the goods. Time to head back home. I don't really know what else I'm gonna yap about. That might be the end of the video, actually. Angle this shit. Angle this shit. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, throw down in the comments what else you'd like to see on the channel. I'm always up for suggestions, up for different type of content. Just let me know. I'm always looking for new ideas and whatnot. So if you guys want to see something, go ahead and put it down in the comments below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. But yeah, we gotta do a full pull for you guys before we dip out. So I'm gonna wait till the road is clear, probably until I hop on the highway. I'll record again once we get on the highway. Alright, here we go. Alright, that's enough. I can't tell if any cars on the other side are cops or not, so I'm not gonna risk it. Little anti-lag. Alright, that's it for the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.